welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well on today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. So for this video, I was sent this wig from YGwigs. They sent me this nice bonnet. It's like reversible, so you can wear it on the pink side or the black side. They sent me this cute little detangler brush, which was really cute. They sent me these fire lashes. Okay, when I say the companies are stepping it up, they're not sending us the baby doll lashes anymore, y'all. They're sending us the nice bomb real long lashes. Okay, and then inside the wig box there were a few more goodies. I got 2 flexi rods, I got 2 little hair clips, an elastic band, as well as a wig cap, and plus the bag that it came in was really nice. Alright, and then last but not least, this is the wig I got. They sent me a 5x5 lace closure wig. They actually make this wig, or made this wig I should say, with 2 bundles and a 5x5 closure. The hair length is a 22-inch and the texture is deep curly. So yes, I am doing a lace closure wig today for my ladies who love closures. Y'all know I'm not a closure girl, I am a frontal girl. But I do understand that some of y'all want to see closures installed. So here we go. So I'm putting my wig on. I did go ahead and cut my lace. Y'all know how closures are. They're pretty much throw on and go type of wigs. I did add some hairspray. That's what I'm doing right here, is spraying it on my finger and then just tapping it on the lace, so that way I can have a little bit of security. But if you wanted to just throw an elastic band on it and go, you could definitely do that. Whatever works for you, of course. Yeah, but about the wig is nice. It was constructed well. It fits my head to a T, so definitely get your correct head size. Y'all see that like part on the side? I wasn't trying to do a part, but I needed to cover that band. I was trying to do like a flip over, but I had to cover the closure band, so that's why it looks like it's a part. But I'm just kind of making that be like an illusion, like, oh, you see my scalp, but it wasn't supposed to be a part. Side note. But anyway, Again, y'all know I am a frontal girl, so closures on me, it just like I don't know, like I hate my face being swallowed in. So that's why I didn't do a middle part with this, because it was gonna like swallow my face in. I need my face out, like, and plus I have a lower hairline, so it makes me have to bring my closure a little bit forward, you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, if you enjoy closures and love closures, this video is definitely for you, okay?